Today, we're checking out the ANCEL AD310 OBD2 Scanner, one of the best-selling car diagnostic tools on the market. Check engine light on? No problem. The ANCEL AD310 quickly reads and clears trouble codes, shows real-time data, and provides freeze-frame information to help diagnose your vehicle without a trip to the mechanic. Built tough and compact, with a sturdy, well-insulated 2.5-foot cable, this scanner is designed to handle garage life. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to keep in your car or toolbox. Fast and accurate, just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, and it gets power instantly, no batteries needed. Reads codes in seconds, making it easy for beginners and pros alike to diagnose issues. Wide compatibility. Unlike some budget scanners, the AD310 supports all OBDII protocols. Works with most U.S. cars from 1996 plus, EU cars from 2000 plus, and many newer trucks and SUVs. Perfect for home use or road trips, the ANCEL AD310 is an essential tool for any car owner. No more guessing. Find out what's wrong and save money on repairs. Want to grab yours today? Check the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more must-have car gadgets.